Hi folks, Marty here. Glad you could join us for this week's tutorial of Beyond the Sea. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. No more sailing, so long sailing, bye-bye sailing. Okay folks, that was it played through at a normal pace for you. What I'm going to do now is show you the chords that are involved in the song and the strum pattern that I use. So first up we have your basic C chord, okay, then your A minor, your F, and then your G7, and then your E7, your A7, and then your D minor. Okay, so the strum pattern that we're going to use is very basic. It's just what I call a bass drum, bass strum. And I say bass, what I mean is hit the top string. I have a low G on mine, so it does give me that kind of bassier sound. So it'd be, for me, it would sound like this. Bass, strum, change chord, bass, strum, and your F, bass, strum, and then G7, bass, strum. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sing that song through for you at a slower pace, just to give you time to work through those chords and how they relate to the strum pattern I'm using. Okay, so starting in the introduction, here we go. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea. She's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond the doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. No more sailing. So long sailing. Goodbye sailing. Okay, folks, that was it. Played through really slow, but it'll give you an idea of how the chords run in that little sequence, and try and sing along with it. It'll help your playing and also hopefully your singing. And when you're happy with that, go back to part 1 and play it through with me at the normal pace, and just keep practicing that. And until next week, remember, keep strumming and keep her lit.